Hello and welcome to this new exciting video. In this video, we want to take a look at how to set up the slide. And in this, we're going to learn three things. We're going to see how to clear the slide. We're going to see how to change the background of the slide. And finally, we're going to see how to duplicate or copy the slide. Okay, so let us kickstart. The first thing we will do is clearing the slide. Remember, this is the slide, and to clear the slide which contains this, you can see click to add title and click to add subtitle. The reason why we need to clear the slide is because as a content creator, it is highly recommended that you start afresh with a blank slide. This is also regarded as a blank slide in PowerPoint, but we want the slide to be completely empty, with the fact that if you maintain this, it's going to be restricting how you manipulate the slide or how you maximize the use of the slide. Okay, so let's get this cleared out. So you go to the top left of the slide, you click and drag to the bottom right of the slide, then you press the delete key to delete what has been selected. Alright, so now we have an empty slide. Good. Next, we want to change the color of this slide. We want a darker color and preferably a black background. And it says that if you choose a dark background, you can easily use bright colors to write on the dark background. I mentioned this in one of the preliminary videos. I hope you could still recall that, and if you haven't watched that, you could go watch the video that has to do with 7 tips on creating a powerful or engaging video. Good. So you go to the design tab to change the background color, then you come to the far end of the window, which is you select format background, which is under the customize menu. So with this, the format background dialog box, you come down to this bucket, which you can see here. As you can see, the default color is white, so we need to change that. So you click on this black arrow that is pointing down, then as we said earlier, we want black. Okay, so we choose black. So you can see that the color of the slide has changed to black and also showing black on the preview. Remember, we want to maintain this dark color background, so we come down below where you see apply to all, so you select apply to all. Good. So next is duplicating the slide. There are ways that you can duplicate this slide. One, you can go to the preview window, you select the slide, then you use a short key by pressing Ctrl C, which is to copy, then Ctrl V, which is to paste. Alright, so you can see that the second slide is there. Or you could just go to another way to duplicate a slide is to go to the home tab. When you get to the home tab, you come to the slides menu, then you come to hit this button above the new slide. So once you hit that, you can see the slide has been duplicated, but the thing is that it still has some element inside of it, which you now have to clear again. So by clicking and dragging, then you hit the delete key. But if you want to save the headache of doing this all over again, it is best to just select the slide that you want to duplicate, then you press Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste. Good. So that is basically what you need to know about setting up your slides in preparation for your video. Okay, good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.